Hi folks, just doing a little overview of the situation on Friday here from Blackheath weather. We had a bit of sleet, a few flakes around for sure this morning early before 8 a.m. Most of that was certainly sleet, which can present with genuine snowflakes, but there's rain or spitty showers mixed in. This is the windy.com app. And you can see that there's another surge coming. I'll just scroll back to this morning. Look down the bottom and you'll see the time there. And you can see this is the 850 hectopascal level of the atmosphere, which is about 1,400 metres above sea level today. So say 300 metres above Blackheath. And you can see orange there on the chart and Sydney to the east. And down the bottom is the time. So the ECMWF model had those cold lower level temperatures at the 850 hectopascal area moving in. I'm just checking that I am recording. I'm pretty sure I am. I am. So thought I was talking to myself, which isn't unusual. So those colder lower level temperatures this morning are represented by that blue scaling there, and you can see as we scroll forward down below with the time on this particular model. There's my cuckoo clock. Can you hear the cuckoo clock in the background? There she goes with the 9 a.m. So as we scroll forward, at the bottom there, you can see those cold, lower level temperatures at 850 hectopascals, which is about 300 metres above Blackheath today. As we scroll forward, there goes one of my alarms. As we scroll forward, we can see those temperatures receding a bit through the day, those lower level temperatures. It's getting a little warmer. I think Blackheath will get warmer than 5 degrees in my opinion, but we'll see. And then as we get closer to evening, you'll watch that blue start to appear again in the lower levels. That's just indicating that it's around 0 or colder in the lower levels. Here we go. It's Friday night, late on Friday night, 11 p.m, still a little milder than it is at the moment. And then as we get to early Saturday morning, very early, you'll see those lower level temperatures getting a bit colder again with another surge. There it is, 6 a.m. at the 850 hectopascal level of the atmosphere, just above Blackheath by a few hundred metres. It's often an area we use to get an idea of how cold it might get at our actual altitude. 6 a.m. going forward to 7 a.m, even colder. Let's see what it's like at 8 a.m. There you go, those cold lower level temperatures surging through across the Oberon Plateau there, and orange, and possibly into Lithgow and maybe even the Upper Blue Mountains. If we scroll forward to 9 a.m, it pulls back a bit again. So it looks to be optimal at say 5 a.m. on Saturday morning through to about 7 a.m. That's at the 850 hectopascal area, which is about 1,400 metres above sea level today. And that alarm is for my water tank, which I must not forget to... Can you put that on for 5 more minutes? So I must not forget to turn my water tank off. So scrolling or looking at the menu now, there's an option to go to the 700 hectopascal level, and that's showing... I'll use the weather picker, say for orange, press my finger on the screen, get the weather picker, and it's saying -2 at 700. That's not very cold, so it's obviously not as potent an atmosphere by that time. I'll go to 850 and have a look, and it's 0, so it's not that unstable. You typically like it to be, say, 0 at least at the 850 hectopascal level, preferably -2 or so. And then as you go up to the 700 hectopascal level in the atmosphere, which is further up in the mid-levels. You'd like it to be, say, at least -6 to -8, so it's not that cold then. But it's still a cold surge in relative terms. Let's go to 500 hectopascal area, or the atmosphere, which is about at least 5 to 5,500 metres above sea level. That's way up there. And you can see it's still fairly cold, -20. See the weather picker there on the screen? In the orange, it's saying -20. So it's still a reasonably cold air mass. That may be cold enough for snow on Saturday morning. It's marginal. I think the Oberon Plateau will probably see some more. I'll see if I can pick up some other places to press on the screen. Oh, it's just showing orange. There you go. So it might be cold enough, folks, for some sleet or hail or snow flurries early Saturday morning. More so on the Oberon Plateau above 1,200 metres, but there's just a slight chance, like occurred on Friday morning, of sleet or some snow flurries in the upper mountains if we're under the heavier showers. Okay, so stay in touch with blackheathweather.com, and I hope to give you an update later today. Okay, folks, see you later.